last year, you gave them the brain, because it's not them, it's their brain you are dealing with, right? So you give the brain an opportunity to restart, and you treat the brain into believing that it's moving from one place to the other.
I hear of teachers who will beat children with ruler on their hands and knuckles.
We are managing teaching. Meanwhile, teaching should be the most difficult thing to get into.
The children, you are plan B for us. Because to get these children, we must get who? You.
What makes you special? What makes you unique? What makes you different?
1 to 2 minutes, you will draw them.